that? Exactly. These are angles. And today we're going to learn many things about them. What's an angle? Yes, it's a space between two intersecting lines that emerge from the same point called vertex. The angle
is a
space.
space between two intersecting lines.
Yes, that emerge from the same point. What does it called?
The vertex.
The vertex. The vertex. If you look around you, we are surrounded by angles, like the ones with your body.
Look, this is an angle.
Like this. Yes, like this is an angle. This is an angle. With your fingers. Yes. Yes, this is an angle. Yes.
This is an angle.
Yes. Yes. With your fingers. So what's the unit? What's the unit of measure of the angles?
Degree.
The degree. Yes. And what's the most important angle? The right angle. This one. When we compare to know the other angles, we have to compare this angle with the others. So as we already told, the right angle is the most important. Is the right angle. Repeat, the right angle. Which measures 90 degrees. So when the angle is smaller than the right angle, which is called acute angle, yes. And when it's bigger than the right angle, it's called obtuse and measures more than or less than 90 degrees. More than 90 degrees, like all of these. What's the tool that you can use to measure the degrees?
This is a projector, and we can use for writing.
To measure the degrees of an angle, we need to place the straight part of the protractor over one of the sides of the angle, making the vertex and the central point of the protractor meet after this. We need to look at the protractor line on the other side of the angle and look what number it says. These are degrees. That's an angle. That angle measures
90 degrees.
Yes, 90 degrees. We said that the right angle is
90 degrees.
Let's see. We get the protractor, and indeed, it's 90 degrees. So it's a right angle.
Angle measures 90 degrees.
Good.
This is an acute angle.
Good.
This angle measures 120 degrees.
Which
is called obtuse angle.
Good.
This is an acute angle.
Good.
It's an obtuse angle.
Obtuse.
This is a right angle.
Right.
This is an acute angle.
Yes.
All polygons have angles. The square and the rectangles have 4 angles.
4 angles,
But
yes.
the triangle
have only 3 angles.
Acute
Acute.
which is less than 90 degrees. We have the right angle, which is the same.
90 degrees.
Which is 90 degrees. And we
this
have
is
the obtuse angle, which is 120 degrees.
yes, good.
And there's one secret one, which is called the straight angle. It measures all the degrees.
Imagine if the angle measures 180 degrees. 180 degrees. We call it a straight angle. What about if it measures 360 degrees?
It's gonna be a circle.
It's a circle. We also call it a circumference. It's a circle. Yes, it's a full angle. What do you think? Measuring angles is good. And what about if it measures 360 degrees? 360 degrees. It's a full angle. It can be a circumference. circumference. Or it's a circle. What a discovery. So, do you think that's difficult? No.
Measuring the angles is
Easy peasy.